2024 Jeep Gladiator. The result of slamming a pickup truck bed over the rear of a four-door Wrangler is the Jeep Gladiator. The end product is a midsize truck that is enjoyable to drive off-road. The Glad owns a vehicle with a detachable top, doors, and a fold-down windshield, and he takes life about as seriously as one could. Compared to more refined midsize trucks like the Chevy Colorado or Honda Ridgeline, it is rougher around the edges to drive on public roads due to its wildness, but its suspension and four-wheel drive system are meant to withstand serious off-road use. The Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma are the only pickup trucks with a 6-speed manual transmission. In the absence of either, an 8-speed automatic transmission does the shifting for you. The 3.6-liter V6 engine in the Gladiator only produces 285 horsepower, which is less than many of the more recent and contemporary models. Although it may not be evident, Jeep updated the Gladiator for 2024 and changed some of the vehicle's components. The Gladiator receives a roundeder grille after the Wrangler's redesign earlier this year, giving it a look almost exactly like the little Jeep Renegade. The gas 3.6-liter V6 is the only engine available. The diesel V6 is no longer available. Additionally, a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, which was previously unavailable for the Gladiator, is included as standard equipment, even on the entry-level sport trim level. In addition, Jeep has introduced new tire designs and an antenna built into the windshield. For 2024, Anvil is a new paint choice. Additionally, Jeep introduces Mojave X and Rubicon X, which come equipped with extra features from their base trims, like steel bumpers and leather seats with 12 power adjustments. In 2024, Jeep also made side curtain airbags for front and rear passengers standard. The Gladiator's 3.6-liter V6 engine generates 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. It can be coupled with an optional 8-speed automatic transmission or the regular 6-speed manual transmission. In our test, the Overland model with the automatic transmission took 7.2 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. Put otherwise, it moves a little more slowly than most of its rivals. Each Gladiator has a truck bed that is 5.5 feet long. The Gladiator has an additional 19.4 inches between the front and rear wheels in comparison to the standard Wrangler. According to Jeep, this enhances the pickup's handling and ride quality. We've driven a few of these already, and we can attest that it drives a lot like the Wrangler. The truck's handling is not very precise on paved roads, and the ride can be rough. However, these features are a part of what makes the Gladiator a tool fit for the trail as well as a respectable pickup truck. More important to enthusiasts is the truck's array of off-road capabilities, which range from ample skid plates to axle ratios that can make the vehicle creep through solid rock to the capacity to cross up to 30 inches of water. The Gladiator is further assisted in conquering uncharted territories by generous ground clearance and approach-departure angles. With the right accessories, the Gladiator can haul an amazing 7,700 pounds. The 4,000-pound trailer can be pulled by even the weakest version. In contrast, the Wrangler's towing capacity is limited to 3,500 pounds. The Gladiator's cargo bed can accommodate payloads weighing between 1,105 and 1,700 pounds. The Gladiator's interior features an upright dashboard that mimics the Wrangler's and offers controls that are easy to operate. Waterproof push-button start is one of the sturdy touches, and heated front seats and a steering wheel are optional comfort features. According to Jeep, the truck's extended wheelbase gives backseat passengers more legroom than the four-door Wrangler. In order to provide an open-air cabin, the Gladiator also features easily removable body and roof panels. The Gladiator has a 5.5-foot cargo bed and a ton of clever internal storage choices. There are several places in the cabin where a smartphone can be placed, and there's a useful box behind the back seat. When the terrain becomes dangerous, the seats themselves can be safely fastened in place and stored in a variety of ways. Depending on the specification and extras, the 2024 Jeep Gladiator's price is predicted to range from $41,000 to $56,000. We believe the Sport S is the excellent platform on which to build our dream Gladiator. For better traction when the blacktop stops, we'd go with the all-terrain tires and anti-spin rear differential. We'd also install side stairs to make getting in and out simpler. Because the 3-piece hardtop opens the roof rapidly, we would also choose it. We would upgrade to the larger 8.4-inch touchscreen, which adds navigation and is more sophisticated than the stock 5.0-inch unit, and specify the headliner inside for improved insulation against noise and temperature fluctuations. The cargo management pack, a 400-watt power inverter, an underseat storage bin, and a bed-mounted 115-volt outlet, is another of our favorite options. We also think that the enhanced charging system and auxiliary switches will be useful for any light bars or other accessories we add for ultimate Jeepness.